See, after making Odisha the crime capital of the country, the BJP government of Odisha is now indulging in rape tourism. What incident has happened in West Bengal, the gang rape of a second-year MBBS student from my constituency of Balasore, is extremely condemnable, and there are no words to describe this heinous crime, and we demand the strongest action be taken against the culprits. And we also say unequivocally that Bengal has become unsafe for women. However, it is even more unsafe for women in Odisha. In Odisha, women are extremely unsafe, and in the last 14 months, more than 37,611 crimes against women have happened, which include brutal crimes such as rape, gang rape, kidnapping, torture, all kinds of violence. So, this Odisha government, the Mohan Majhi government, they are going to West Bengal to, shed crocodile tears over the rape victim, and they are making the video viral with such insensitivity, where they are asking banal questions like, are you okay? Are you okay? The way they are talking, it is so shameful, and they have made that video viral. So it is very much in line when we say that Mohan Majhi and his stooges, the chairperson of the State Women's Commission, the MP from Balasore, they are all indulging in rape tourism. They want to show themselves in a better light, as if we are better than West Bengal. No, sir, you are not better than West Bengal. You are much worse than West Bengal. Yes, West Bengal is unsafe, but Odisha is much more unsafe for women. And in such a time, instead of ensuring justice for your own daughters here, right here, where so many brutal incidents have happened one after the other, rape and burning of girls, you did not go to to visit any of their families. You did not just provide justice to any of them. Rather, what you are doing, you are rushing to West Bengal because you want to project that it is BJP versus TMC. It is not BJP versus TMC. So far women are concerned, we do not care what government is in power. We demand that justice and safety be provided to women everywhere. What Odisha government is doing is pure politics over the brutal rape of a girl, and we condemn this attitude. We condemn the insensitivity of these leaders. Soumya Shri was a girl from this Balasore itself. Where was the MP? He was in hiding. Did not provide justice, and the girl had visited the MP himself.